Hello kids, let's make some alphabet. Here you can see I have used alphabet. Let's match all the alphabet. First of all, we will match capital letter and then we will match lowercase letter. So let's get started. First of all, P. K. Z. Ace. E. M. N. V. X. Q. B. W. C. G. D. It is U. This is O. O will be here. L. R. S. I. T. A. J. F. And last one is Y. It's done. Now we'll match lowercase letter. So let's get started. First one is O. It is G. F. This is A. And then it's called K. S. T. U. W. E. X. P. Q. M. C. I. Y. Ace. B. D. R. N. L. B. G. And last one is J. That's it. That's for today. See you in the next video. Bye.